for the 3 hard this shit, man.
Mike, this go crazy.
Going out there. Yeah. It's better than Higgins. It's better than Higgins. Hold up. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let's figure out what needs to come out. This is James.
Yep. That's yours, right?
Yeah.
Launch?
Let's see. Hold that for a second.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead, I got you. Go ahead. Oh, hold on your seat. I got you. All right, go ahead. Sit back down. I got you. Sit down. Boom. All right, you ready? Here's your pole. All right, you ready for send off?
Pole.
Your paddle.
Paddle.
All right, you ready?
You're a good man, Marvin.
You ready?
I'm gonna dance at your wedding.
Oh, come on now.
And I'm gonna sing at the funeral.
I'm singing at my funeral. There you go, boss man. You out there. Send off. Josh, you need me to send you off?
We're about to find out.
How that water feel? Still cold?
I don't know.
Hold on, who got the? Man, we've been here for 30 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
We've been here a little longer than that.
No, I'm talking about just what I've been recording, like messing with your rod and stuff.
She ain't going nowhere.
Be careful, you getting water in your rocket.
She ain't going nowhere though.
Yeah.
Hey, that make your booty cheeks cool.
Oh man.
Wow. Oh, right. Oh.
All right, hold yourself. Just sit in the kayak.
You want to get close to the water?
Nah, you good. Just sit in the kayak. I got you. Just sit in the kayak.
Oh, Lord.
You want to go in back first, or it don't matter?
It don't matter.
I'm gonna let you go first. I like going face first, so I can see everything. You ready?
Yeah, do I need to push these out?
Is it comfortable for you, or do you want to?
Yeah, I think I need them out.
That's good.
A little bit further.
A little bit closer to you. Hold on. No, right there. She good?
Yeah, I think she's good.
All right. If you get nervous, just sit still.
Alright.
That's what I do. Ready? Hold on, let me get you off that cliff.
You want to go in straight? You feel like I'm on the tip.
He's about to turn you.
Yeah. I'm gonna push you off in the back so you can, you know what I'm saying? Ready?
Oh, yeah, like that.
You off. You good? I got my pliers. I got my knife. No. Hey, where's my knife?
Come on, we got it.
Okay.
You got it? I got it. Everything in the tackle. In my tackle box? No, I got it. I got it, man.
All right. And it's time for me to go off.
Come on, big fella. You got your
help launch it?
Hey, if I need, yeah, it's on. Well, I say if I need, bro, come on now. All right.
How you like to sit on top? What about the knee? Put your bottom up. Yeah, when your legs. Yeah, bring that foot so you don't have to bend your knee. What you do is kick the feet and it'll ready, Mark?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my pole was in the water.
Yeah, I told you them holes go to the bottom.
That's how you, what you call it, bro? Get the water out and use it as a pole holder. Hold on, call the guys.
Parking?
Call the guys.
I ain't got my phone.
What do you mean you ain't got your phone?
I ain't bring it. I ain't had no pockets with me today.
I got you. Hey Siri, FaceTime Philippe.
Go out here. Left. Hey, John.
What's up?
Where's this footage going?
Yeah, what?
Where's this footage going?
Out.
No,
Take it up.
no, I'm saying where's the footage going?
What you mean?
What you always say about the YouTube?
YouTube.
The YouTube. Whoa, shoot, this thing got a drift.
Yeah. That carrot.
That current ain't no joke.
I mean, and you got these boats over here.
Keep these or I'm gonna give them to somebody.
Who you gonna give them?
The guy in engineering, he wants some fish that I catch. So that's how I'm gonna get it to him. I got you, bro. I ain't gonna let you fall now. If you fall, I'm going under too.
Wait on it.
Where your live well at? Oh, you should have told me that. You good? Just drop him in there?
You gotta make sure you get him in there. Don't drop him.
Ain't no water in there.
It's a little bit. It's down deep. He kicking. Other way. Other way.
I'd like you to finish this.
Using live bait.
Yeah. Your best bet, it's a whole like herd of them over there. It is, as soon as you throw them in there, you get a bite.
I got top water on. Fishing over on these little banks. Extra
Trying to
bass.
find that bag. Come here, Mark.
Yes, sir.
Marvin, get him, Marvin, get him, Marvin.
God. Yep. Ooh, ooh.